ഓം ശ്രീ മാത്രേ നമ. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 30th March 2026, Monday, Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishira Ritu, Painguni Masam, that is Meena Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 8:25 a.m., Dwadashi, then Trayodashi, Monday, that is Somavasaram, Nakshatram up to 3:48 p.m. Magha Nakshatram, then Puram Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Guliyagalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Today's good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Magararashi. Shulam East. Prayachittam Kard. Sradhatidi Trayodashi. Today, Somavara Pradosham. Om Sri Matre Namaha.